Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. In a trapezium ABCD, O is the point of intersection of AC and BD. AB is parallel to CD and AB is equal to twice CD. If the area of triangle AOB is equal to 68 centimeters square, then find the area of triangle COD. So let's observe in triangle AOB and triangle COD. Let's see. Angle AOB equal to angle COD. They are vertically opposite angles. Then angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. Alternate interior angles, and angle OBA equal to angle ODC. Same reason, alternate interior angles. Therefore, we can say that triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD by AAA test for similarity. AAA similarity criterion. So we know that in similar triangles, area of similar triangles, ratio of area of triangle AOB with area of triangle COD will be equal to ratio of AB square divided by CD square. Since triangles are similar, therefore we are given area of triangle AOB to be 68 centimeters square. We have to find area of triangle COD. We also are given AB is equal to AB is equal to twice CD. So twice of CD whole square divided by CD square, which is equal to 4 CD square divided by CD square. CD square get cancelled out, and we are here with area of triangle COD equal to 68 divided by 4 centimeters square. Therefore, area of triangle COD is equal to 17 centimeters square. So answer is option B.